everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to set investing.com. So to get started, let's open browser. For now I'm using Microsoft Edge browser. You can use any of the browser. Now on the search bar, search for investing.com and enter. It will open your investing.com account. Now setting investing.com means you want to set watch list, or you can also set charts, many more. Before that, you need to sign up on investing.com. To sign up, tap on sign up button that is located on top right corner and then tap on continue with Google and select your Google account and continue. Now as you have successfully signed up, your account will open. So here you can now set up your investing.com. For now, let's go to watchlist to set up, and here you can see many options. You can add your charts and you can create your portfolio by clicking on plus icon that is located on right side of my watch list. So for now, let's search for NVIDA and click on it. Now it will add it to your summary. So in this way you can set your watch list. Or if you want to set your charts, then just click on charts and go for live charts. Here you will be able to see your real-time live charts if you added some of live charts. For now, you can see this kind of charts. If you want to add this to your charts, then just tap on the icon that is shown here, which shows you indicators slash. Tap on it and select any of these and then close this tab. So here you can see live charts. So in this way you can set charts on your investing.com. You can also give it a name and save. So in this way you can set your investing.com. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.